What is going on, YouTube fam? Andre Moneyback back at it again with another video. Here I'm ready to catch another bag in the Forex market. So today we're going over gold. But before I even get started with that, just go ahead and smash that like button down below and comment any questions that you have down below as well. Any new YouTube video that you guys want me to make or go over some specific stuff, let me know and I'll be able to make those videos alongside on YouTube and more happy to make them with you guys. So also, don't forget to click the link in bio. That's where I do my live sessions every single day with all my students in Piss Profit Club, and we take live trades and live signals as well. And also, if you can't make the live trading sessions, we always record them, so you can always watch those pre-recorded sessions as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Actually, here on gold, we got in for a buy. Actually, like 2 hours ago, that I did this live session with my PPC students. We got in for a buy on gold on right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and explain why we got in for that buy, so you guys know the reason behind it. Right, so right now we're actually up and running some profits. Not a lot of profits going on, but we're up and running like maybe like 20, 30 pips, I would say. Yeah, like 17 pips in profits right now, which is a super, super great trade that we have going on. Sniper entry. So the reason why we got in, and we go to the daily time frame, I'll just go ahead and break this down step by step so that you guys know the exact way I trade, right? So let's go ahead and get started. Watch, so here on the daily time frame. What do you see on the daily time frame? One thing that I do measure my trades from is going to be imbalance. Right? So why do we go over imbalance? Why do we look at imbalanced areas? Because market, no matter what, in some given point in time, it's going to tend to fulfill 50% of it or more. And then once we fulfill that area, market's going to start going to the opposite way, either to the upside or the downside, depending what market direction is heading. So I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys what the imbalance is. Not very in depth in this video, just going to break it down. Maybe another video I'll explain to you guys what imbalance is and how you can take advantage of the imbalance zones like this. So this right here is what we call an imbalance. Why is it an imbalance? Because it's just pure pressure of buyers. This is where the bank's fighting for buyers. You just see buy pressure scenario, right? So what's going to happen after that? You're going to get into an overbought area. So market's going to do what? It's going to tend to fulfill 50% of that imbalance or more. So we see right here, our first rejection, we did happen to seem to be at that 50% of the imbalance, which is right on this candle. So we came in and fulfilled 50% of this imbalance, and market started doing direction to the upside. So this right here, we could take advantage of that buy position just by fulfilling that 50%. But later down the road, what did market do? It kept on coming down, kept on coming down, and kept on coming down to do what? To fulfill all the imbalance. But when we fulfill all that imbalance, market's going to come and test into what? In accumulation, a price candle that we have right there. So I'm going to just go ahead and point you guys to that daily accumulation, our price candle that we're looking at. This is one of the confirmations that gave me the reason why to get in for that buy on gold. So we look at this very, very, very closely. You can see how market came right into it over here on current price, tapped onto it. It tapped right here, tested it. This is where we see that rejection going on. That wick right there is where we start seeing that rejection. And then the next daily candle, we start seeing our bullish movement, right? So now going to the 4-hour time frame. So just by those confirmations that I have, I know that market direction is going to be to the upside overall, right? So look into the 4-hour time frame. Right now, I just want to be looking for targets to aim for. So my overall TP, it's going to be up here where we have this liquidity area, this buy side liquidity zone right there, right? So I'm overall waiting for market to go all the way up here, which is going to be my last TP at 665 pips. My first TP, I do have it around this area, which is around 230 pips. So I'm going to just go ahead and explain that TP right there on the entry as well. So we come into the 1-hour time frame. As we see that daily rejection, we saw that daily rejection down here. This is what we see that market being rejected to the upside. So now what's confirming me to get in for more buys, the reason why I get in for a buy right here is because right here we look at the 1 hour. We have this distribution phase, right? So we have the distribution phase right here. Now, what is the distribution phase? The distribution phase is where market's not really doing anything. It's just going sideways, kind of like undecided, nothing going on at the current moment. But after that, we have an explosion to the upside. We have that explosive move to the upside that we can see right here. So we have this explosive move right here to the upside going on. Got that accumulation of price candle that we're waiting for market to be tested, which market broke right through it, came back into it, tested it, and we start seeing that test right there. We start seeing that rejection, that impulse, new impulse to the upside, right? So that gave me another confirmation to get in for that buy. Now, did we get in for a buy down here? No, we didn't. Why? Because that had already happened. We got in for a buy right here. We actually had a buy limit going on. We had a buy limit in this area, right on the opening of our new accumulation, our price candle that we have right here, which is the last bearish candle before the push up, which this is right here is a push up. We came into the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we could start seeing more confirmations for us to get in for a buy. That accumulation our price candle opening that we have that buy limit is also our breaker on the 15-minute time frame. So now what do we call that the breaker? Because we broke structure. We broke structure to the upside. We see how market spiked to the upside, broke that structure, came and retraced right into it and activated our buy limit. Right now, we came into that area, into a buy, and we started seeing instant profits right there. Since right there, we started seeing that area going to the upside, went into instant profits, no drawdown as of right now. And so for our stop loss, we do have to take into consideration that gold is a more volatile pair than any other pair. So the reason being, this is why I'm risking 66 pips on gold. So my stop loss, like as usual pairs, I usually put in 10 to 15 pips below accumulation of price candle or above accumulation of price candle. In this case for gold, I'm gonna do it 20 to 30 pips, right? So my stop loss is 20 to 30 pips below this accumulation of price candle, which is right here. Boom. 30 pips, 32 pips right there. Our entry price was over here. So in total, we're risking 66 to get a first take profit that we have right here. Let me go ahead and check that for you guys. So let's see. Our first TP, we are right on this high where we had the liquidity, which is at 225 pips, 230 pips. In our last TP, we obviously have it all the way up here where we have, I believe that was a daily or the 4-hour high. Yeah, it was the 4-hour equal highs where we had that buy side liquidity. So that's the reason why I'm looking into getting for a buy. And just how I explained the breakdown on this trade, it's literally how I trade every other pair, right? So now you guys want to see more content, like step by step, like mentioned our past candles, how to look for that. No worries, I'll be uploading that every single day on our YouTube, on this YouTube channel, which I do have a playlist that says free course. If you guys go ahead and click on that free course playlist, it's me explaining step by step every single stuff that I go over with on my trades and breakdowns. So that way you guys could be taking those trades as well. So with that being said, guys, that's all from me today. And we're about to cash a bag with gold. If you guys are not too late when you guys watch this video, you can definitely get out for the buy on gold as well. But just don't chase the trade, because if you chase a trade, it's going to be, you might be losing, or you might see a lot of drawdowns. So you might want to see, I see that scarcity, those emotions coming in. So when you're chasing the trade, I really recommend it. Just leave it, let it go, and look for a different trade or different pair to go over with. But with that being said, cashing bags right on this channel. For new people that subscribe, go ahead and comment on the comments, and I'll schedule a personal one-on-one with you, and we'll get on a coaching call for all those new people, right? But with that being said, I'll see you guys the next day. And don't forget to smash that like button. Go ahead and comment, and click the link in bio to join my live sessions. See you guys till next time.